Hello, everyone. The virtual investor here, and I want to talk about the fragmenting real estate market today. All right, before I dive in over here, make sure you click on the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever we create new videos here. And if you like this, get some out of it, please hit the like button for us as well. All right, let's dive in. What is going on with the real estate market right now? For most people, they believe that the real estate market goes up and down at the whole country as a whole, which it never has, right? It really never has, but it's becoming even more fractured and fragmented. I call it a fragmented market right now as to what we're seeing. So you have places like in New York, you have places in California, like San Francisco, that are decreasing. You have Boise, Idaho, which had a huge surge the last couple of years. Prices are really starting to drop there. You already had a lot of people moving, and now we're at the point of the year where people aren't moving as much. Despite the fact that inventory is down in most markets, prices are falling in those markets, which means there's not a demand to purchase right there. California makes a lot of sense. A lot of people are still going to be exiting that state because of regulations and government policies and high cost of gas, so on and so forth. There's a million reasons why you want to leave California, but I'll leave it at that. And the same thing has happened in the Northeast. People are getting pushed out. I myself moved from Pennsylvania to Florida this year to get away from that whole mess. So you're going to have that continue throughout the remainder of 2021 and into 2022. But you're going to have a slowdown. This time of year is not a time of year that people typically move, right? They aren't taking the kids out of school if they have kids, right? That are going to move now. They're going to wait till the end of the school year and then move late next spring, early summer. So let's talk about the markets that will continue to be red hot. So South Florida, you're going to still have throughout all of Florida, really, but mostly Southwest Florida and in and around Tampa, though I do expect to see Tampa start to cool down. It really is a market that is investor driven to a large degree. So I think you'll start to see that slow down potentially a little bit here over the next couple of years. The other markets I'll continue to increase, Texas, of course, anything around Dallas, San Antonio, Houston, Austin, those are markets that are going to continue to thrive, and those markets outside of it as well, including Waco, Texas. Then you're going to have states like Tennessee that continue to get that influx. Nashville just continues to grow year after year after year, and they're a very tax-friendly state and also a nice place to live and a great place to raise a family. So these markets are going to continue to increase while others may decrease. So you're going to start to see a real fragmenting or fracturing of the market here over the next 2 years. And some of it may be interest rate driven, that if we get an increase in interest rates, it's going to affect certain markets more so than others, certain markets being the higher price markets. The North Jersey, the New York, the Californias, the Las Vegas, the Phoenix, Arizona, and also South Florida. Miami, Southwest Florida as well. Those affordable areas in and around Orlando and Lakeland, places like that, Ocala, they're going to continue to be okay, and they'll continue to probably increase over time here. But the expensive markets, they're going to decrease. You're going to start seeing them dropping. So I think that's what we're going to see going into the remainder of 2021 into 2022. We'll see what interest rates do, because that's going to be a wild card factor that could change a lot coming into next year. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to click the like button, and we'll catch you on the next video.